Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video today I am going to show how to add music on your Facebook profile. If you are new in my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Let's start the video. Firstly, open your Facebook application and go to the menu bar. Here you will see the setting and privacy options. Then you can see the settings options. Just tap on this. After that, in this page here you will see your all details about your account. Then here you will see the option audience and visibility. Then you can see the first option profile details. After clicking profile details, you can see your information about your profiles, and here you can see the music option, and you also can see the option that is add music, and you have to tap on this. Here you will see the blank page, but you have to tap on the plus icon which you can see on the right side of this page. Just tap on the plus icon. Here you will see your all recommended song. You can choose from this list or you can search from the search bar. So I just need to search one song, and I just write on the search music option. So I just search my favorite song. You can see. So from here you can choose your favorite song. As you can see this, they will show this list. So after selecting, you can see the three dot option. Just tap on this. After that, here you will see the first option, select your song. So you can see I just need to select this. After that, you have to go back to your profile information. So I go back to my profile information. Here you need to refresh this page. After refreshing, you can see this it's added on this list, but it's not yet finished. So you have to tap on the see all option. Then you can see your song is listed on this page, and you have to tap on the three dot again. Then you will see the option pin to profile. Just tap on this option for adding this song on your profile. So it's added. So let's see it's added or not. And I just go back to my profile and I need to refresh this, and you can see this it's added on my profile. In this way you can add song on your Facebook profile, and I think this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question, write on comments box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.